Midlife divorce can be absolutely devastating. There were times in my life when I was going through that period that I wondered, God, what had I done wrong? How did I get to be here? How did my family get to be a family going through separation and divorce? It wasn't something I expected, but the reality is that you have to deal with the reality. And it's been an interesting, challenging, frustrating and rewarding journey. I help ladies in that journey now. It's very easy to get stuck when we're making a transition in our life and we're going from being a Mrs. to a Ms. and no one gives us a rule book to do that. We have to navigate through that, and our aim is always to come out the other side bigger, better, stronger, braver. Unfortunately, that's not how it works for a lot of ladies. A lot of ladies get caught in the grief, get caught in the hurt and stay stuck. And that's certainly not something that we want women to experience. We've put on 3-day events around Australia for the last couple of years, and these events are truly life-changing. We would love to invite you. We subsidise the tickets, so we make them only $47 for 3 days of world-class coaching with Fiona and Sandra. We're the #1 divorce coaches in Australia, and what we will help you do over these 3 days is to rediscover your greatness, to build your confidence and to show you a clear pathway forward. We show you that it starts with us. It has to be an inside job. No one's coming to save us, and for us to create beautiful new lives, we've got to take the responsibility to be able to do that. You don't need to know how, we'll show you that, but we would love to invite you. So ladies, don't stay stuck. Don't sit home wondering how you got to this place in your life. I want you to start dreaming about what your life could be after your separation and divorce. While that might not be a clear picture right now, I want to tell you there's thousands of ladies that have gone before you and are now living a life that they never ever thought that they would. My life is dramatically different than it was, and I couldn't even begin to write this life that I've got now back then when my husband left me. I was sad, I was broken, I was disillusioned, and I went straight to what's wrong with me. Why aren't I good enough? Why is my husband, after 28 years, leaving me for a 35-year-old woman? What did I do wrong? I thought that richer for poorer, sickness and health, I thought we were going to die together. So when he walked out the door, so did my life, so did my dreams, so did my future. Not only me, my kids were devastated as well. This had ripple effects through our whole family, through our business. What I knew is that I had to get myself right. I had to dig deep, rediscover my own greatness, build my confidence again, and this is really what we're going to show you over these 3 days is the journey that I took. My co-partner is Sandra. Sandra's been my friend for 18 years. She is an amazing woman and has also been through divorce and rebuilt herself. So we walk our talk, ladies. We're doing everything that we tell you that is possible. We are an example of this on an everyday basis. So please join us. $47, and we do it in all the states around Australia. Just click on the link below and you'll get the details, and we look forward to meeting you. See you girls. Don't give up.